In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a saw synth in Soundation. This is the quick method using presets, so you can get that classic bright, wide, and energetic saw sound in minutes without diving into deep sound design. A saw, or supersaw, is a staple in electronic music because it stacks multiple detuned saw waves to create a full, lush texture that cuts through a mix. That's exactly what we're setting up today. Start by opening Soundation and creating a new project so you're working in a clean session. You'll see an empty arrangement area and the sound library on the side. That library is where all your instruments and sounds live, and it's the fastest way to get a great tone ready to play. Click on the Instrument Presets section in the sound library to reveal a curated list of instruments that are already configured for you. Presets are perfect when you want professional results without spending time turning knobs, and they make it easy to focus on the music you're writing. In the search field, type Supersaw. You'll see one or more options labeled with that name. Choose a preset that fits your style and simply drag it onto the arrangement area. This creates a new instrument track with that Supersaw loaded and ready. You've now got a track armed with a powerful saw synth sound, ideal for leads, chords, or big anthemic hooks. From here, you can play notes in real time using a connected MIDI keyboard or your computer's typing keyboard if you prefer. This is great for sketching melodies and feeling the energy of the sound immediately. Keep your first ideas simple, single notes or straightforward chords, so you can hear how the supersaw sits in the mix. If you'd rather program your part, draw the notes directly. In the instrument tracks lane, create a MIDI region, open the piano roll, and use the pencil tool to place notes on the grid. Click to add a note, drag its edge to set the length, and place a few in a row for a melody or stack notes vertically for chords. Shorter notes feel punchy and rhythmic, while longer notes will showcase that rich, sustained supersaw texture. You can loop the region to repeat your idea and quickly build momentum. And that's it. Open Soundation and start a new project, find the supersaw under Instrument Presets, drag it into the arrangement, and play or draw your notes. With this quick method, you'll have a polished saw synth up and running fast, ready to inspire your next track.